You have likely seen an issuer identification number on your credit card without even realizing it. Let's decode what those first few digits mean. The issuer identification number, or IN, is the official term for the first 6 to 8 digits of your payment card number. While older systems used 6 digits, the standard has expanded to 8 to keep up with the global volume of cards. These digits act as a routing address for transaction data, telling merchants exactly which bank issued the card and what tier of service it represents. Ever wonder how your bank knows where to send your money? It all starts with the first 8 digits of your card, known as the IIN. Different card networks claim specific ranges of these numbers, which is how payment terminals instantly recognize the network you are using. Think of the IIN as the digital handshake that ensures your payment gets routed to the right place securely. Understanding how your card works is the first step to better financial literacy. Subscribe for more money basics and keep learning.